Hey everybody, this is Alexander A. Manzoni, and we're going to do a poem. It's called A Sledgehammer Named Retribution. Springtime. Morning sun watching skies, wondering if the Austin bomber's body parts have propelled themselves into orbit. American carnage once again. America, what is happening? So much hate for your fellow man. Do not kneel at the grave of the devil, even as his spectral ghost calls to you to do what you can across the troubled land to extend his power. Cower not to the malignant hand of darkness. All of this misappropriated madness. Rain, down it comes. Fingers and toes and all of those fall from the sky. That of the beast, no release. American carnage once again. America, what is happening? Bullets blazing by, corrupt cops planting rocks and pain pills on young black men who did little else except live in a world that did not welcome them. They are sent into the fires of incarcerated servitude. Little use for men who lie on bunks all day. Make license plates that say, live free or die. Hypocritical Cambridge Analytica, the real criminals. They walk without chains, Jacob Marley affixed with laundry line. Early morning workout double time. American carnage, flex the muscle, high-powered rifles, SWAT teams, special weapons and tactics. A little boy's broken dreams mean nothing to those so vested in the accumulation of power for the white bread ivory tower. Glass ceiling, it is at the 13th floor. Break down the doors. Try to get to the top without benefit of a sledgehammer named Retribution. Thank you very much. And hopefully you can come to see my upcoming show next Friday. And it is going to be at Art Seat Spokane, 1115 West 1st Avenue, Spokane, Washington. It's going to be a blast, 5 to 10 o'clock. Thank you.